Welcome everybody to Caroline's Craft Tree. This little video is about the fly fishing digital kit I have on Etsy. So this is page number 1. I love fly fishing, it's my favorite pastime. And page number 2. Page number 3. Page number 4. And page number 5. And then page number 6, which can be used as a background page. And we have a large envelope. And another large envelope. A couple of postcards, a couple of little postcards and the same. And the same thing, a little postcard, a couple big ones. And we've got some embellishments, a couple large tickets, a couple more small postcards, as well as a couple little tickets, tags, and embellishments for to use. More tags, and just some little square embellishments, use them for journaling cards. And I will leave a link below to the Etsy listing, and thank you for watching.